Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. So, you want to start a YouTube channel in Jamaica? You've been thinking about it for weeks, maybe even months. You're watching other YouTubers grow, make money, travel, and even build houses. And you're wondering, can I really do this too? Well, I'm CC, and in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can go from zero to viral right here in Jamaica. Step by step, no fluff, no hype, just the real truth about growing a successful Jamaican YouTube channel in 2025. Stay tuned because the secret no one tells you is coming up. Let's start with the real question. Why even start a YouTube channel in Jamaica? Well, YouTube pays in US dollars. Jamaica is full of untold stories, vibrant culture, and powerful people. Your life, your village, your struggles, your talents can become someone else's inspiration. Whether you're in Mandeville, Portmore, or Westmoreland, doesn't matter which parish, there's a story you can tell, and someone somewhere is ready to listen. And no, you don't need a fancy iPhone or 300,000 worth of gear. All you need is a phone, a message, and the courage to start. Take it from me, who has a monetized YouTube channel. This is where most people fail. Here are the reasons why. They want to talk about everything, but on YouTube, the more specific you are, the faster you grow. Here are top niches that work well in Jamaica. Lifestyle vlogs. Talk about your daily life in the country or town. Cooking Jamaican food. People love watching ackee and saltfish and jerk chicken. Farming and bush life. Check out Mona Flex JA, that is proof. Helping others or humanitarian content. We have persons like Colors Summit TV and Tidonna. Story times and motivation. Comedy skits in patois. Reaction videos. News, music, current events. Start with one niche. When your audience knows what to expect from you, your channel grows faster. Here's what I started with, and what you probably already have. A smartphone, Android or iPhone, both work fine. And a quiet space. That is all I needed. And for editing, on phone, I use CapCut, or you can use InShot or VN. On laptop, DaVinci Resolve or Filmora. Or, this is optional if you would like to get a mic, like Boya for better sound, but it's not a must. The key is this: don't wait to be perfect. Start with what you have. Let's talk about how the algorithm works. Here's what most Jamaicans don't realize. YouTube doesn't care where you live. It cares if people are watching you. The algorithm pushes videos with strong watch time, high click-through rate, which means your thumbnail and your title must be on fire. Frequent uploads, at least once a week. And audience engagement, meaning likes, comments, and shares. You can use some titles like How I Survived on 5,000 in Jamaica. Jamaican mother struggles but never gives up. Day in the life of a bush farmer. You want your titles and thumbnails to spark curiosity and attention. Let's talk mistakes, because I made some of these too. Number 1, inconsistency. Upload once and disappear for 2 weeks. That kills momentum. Number 2, begging for subscribers too early. Let your content earn it. Number 3, not editing out boring parts. Every second matters. Number 4, talking too much before getting to the point. Hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds. Number 5, ignoring thumbnails. A thumbnail can be the difference between 100 views and 10,000. And here's a big one. Number 6, not being themselves. On YouTube, people don't fall in love with your perfection. They fall in love with your personality. Be real, be Jamaican. Talk patois if that's you. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will invite you to the partner program. That means you'll start earning from ads on your videos, super thanks and super chats if you go live, channel memberships, and even brand deals and sponsorships. You can also make money through affiliate marketing, sharing product links in your video descriptions. And if you start growing fast, you can even register your own business or charity project. Listen to me. There's someone out there scrolling YouTube right now, looking for your story, your experience, your voice. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to be famous. All you have to do is start. So from CC, someone who's walking this same path with you, I'm telling you, Jamaica is ready for your channel. The world is ready. Are you? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share with a friend who's afraid to press record. Let's build this YouTube dream together. Big up yourself.